Alright guys, so it's now the next day and today we're going to go see the Eden Project. I'm so excited.
Yeah, that's the top thing to do today. Thing to do today, something like that. It's actually a horrible day.
Oh god, it's so miserable.
It's really miserable. Which is annoying because I was going to get drone shots this morning for the intro of this vlog. Yeah. But there wasn't an intro, as you would already know, because I didn't get the shots now. Because it's raining.
It is a shame. And
that's fine.
I'm excited though because yesterday we got all the shots, so I think that will be enough drone shots for this vlog.
I was hoping to get some of the Eden Project. But
I know. Oh
well. But yeah, so we got that. We got the gardens, secret gardens of Halligan.
Yep.
And the Charlestown light tunnel, is it?
Yeah, there's like a fairy light tunnel or something my friend told me about, so we might check that out, we'll see. Alright, so we are at the Botanical Gardens. What is this called? You said it was secret something, but it's not.
Actually the Lost Gardens.
The Lost Halligan Gardens.
The Lost Gardens of Halligan.
That's right, yeah. We're in like a jungly spot right now, and there's so many like Dixonias and palm looking trees. It's so nice.
We were thinking of getting some of these for the house at some point, weren't we?
I know.
Well, actually they're really expensive, so it's more like
they're very expensive, especially when they're this big. When they're like tiny, they're pretty affordable, but honestly this is so nice.
I like
it doesn't last for long though, does it? This jungle bit.
There and just behind me here.
Yeah.
We were just here, which is basically just a field and a woods.
Yeah, there was some sheep, they were really cute.
Yeah. Let's walk down here.
We're gonna keep walking. We have the umbrella because it is raining. I'm trying to keep everything nice and dry.
Yeah, I love this.
Oh my gosh. This is what I want in my back garden.
I know, right?
Can you imagine?
It would be amazing.
And they've got like a massive palm tree. So, there's a pond. There's a pond down there, look.
I can't see.
Oh my god, this brings me back to like Bali. There's like jungly sort of...
No, is this the bottle brush?
Oh yeah, this is really cool.
Is that bottle brush?
Yeah, it's spiky.
I like that.
I think so. I think this is the bottle brush. I don't know.
No, it's not.
No, it's like a... I don't know.
If you know what this is, let us know. It's definitely not bottle brush.
No, because that's like fluffy, isn't it, bottle brush? It's like a flower.
Yeah.
But,
I haven't got a clue. But I really like it. I've seen them at garden centres before.
Oh my gosh, look at the pond. So this is like the jungle area. There's like a little bridge over there. This is so cute.
Yeah.
This doesn't look like the UK, does it?
No, you wouldn't think. And then this is like, so this whole area is like the jungle area.
Yeah.
Let's go in.
Explore. So we're just walking down the steps to the bridge.
I love these trees.
I know, they're so nice. They're so windy, aren't they?
I know, they're really nice.
Yeah.
The rain's not really coming through here, which is nice.
I know, it's pretty good actually. We're getting like shielded from the rain.
Yeah.
Wow.
I would just love to do something like this one day. Like at our house, like have a little botanical area, like just a small little botanical garden.
I know, that's literally
I know.
We love plants so much.
Like we never used to, but...
We're like the typical vegans now.
I know, suddenly, yeah. Love
Suddenly
plants.
when you age, you start becoming like a gardener and everything.
I know.
Wow, look at this.
I know.
So pretty.
This place is actually really nice.
Yeah, it's really nice. I would actually recommend for you guys to come here if you ever come to Cornwall.
Yeah.
For sure. It's worth seeing, and definitely on a nice summer's day it would be way better.
Yeah. Apart from the weather, it's kind of like being in the monkey forest in Bali.
Let's pretend we're in Bali.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I want.
How do we do that exactly?
I don't know.
Yeah.
There's a waterfall, I think. I can hear something. Oh look, there's steps.
Where?
Oh, they're right there. Okay, let's go down.
Yeah.
There's like running water.
Also, there's no monkeys.
I know.
So I would love to go to Bali
Wow,
again.
look at this black bamboo. Look how thick it is.
It's not black. Is that black?
Yeah, that's black. Well, that's what they call black bamboo, yeah.
Is it?
It's just like dark green with some black bits.
We have black bamboo in our garden, but it's like really thin.
Look
And we
at
also
this.
have like a more... That is solid, isn't it? Look
That
at
is
the height
so
of that.
thick. They literally make like scaffolding out of this in Hong Kong and loads of places around the world.
Like literally the city of Hong Kong, they're building like skyscrapers. Well, they're building huge towers and they're using bamboo.
And when we saw that, we were like, oh my god, is that safe? But then we realised that bamboo is actually really, really strong.
Well, it's super strong, super light, and it's a more sustainable material because we watched a show actually on Netflix, I can't remember it, but they were building houses in Bali.
Yeah, and they were using literally all bamboo, like thick bamboo like this.
Oh, way thicker than that,
yeah. And it can grow so quick as well.
Yeah.
So
I can't remember how quick their bamboo was growing, but
few years.
It was something like they were creating farms and they were building houses with that bamboo in what felt like no time.
I know.
Which is cool.
Maybe we can do that one day. We'll see.
Bamboo house store.
I know.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've made it to a bridge, but also look at this tree.
Spiky tree.
It's got spikes. How freaking cool. It's got studs.
That's pretty cool.
Studded tree.
That's so cool. Alright, so we're at a bridge now.
This is the net bridge. Oh my god, it's pretty long actually. I love it.
You're probably going to want a photo here.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Wow.
Doesn't it?
That's cool.
That's amazing. Oh my god, I literally feel like I'm in Tarzan or something.
That's
wow.
Nice.
So I think we're gonna head off now. It has been so fun just exploring everywhere.
Yeah, we're going to head to the light tunnel and then the Eden project.
Yeah.
This is definitely the best spot so far.
I don't know, I just don't know how they got the water to be so blue.
It's such a gorgeous spot. Like,
No, it literally, I was saying to Matt that if it wasn't raining and if it was a sunny day, this would feel like Bali. Obviously without the temperature, but
I know.
it's so nice.
Literally, I will come back here in the summer.
I know.
Just sit on the bench over there.
Yeah, we're definitely taking this as inspiration and future goals for a house potentially one day. If we can ever have a big garden like this.
That'd be amazing. But at the same time, like, how does this stuff survive the winter? I thought like Dixonia's like certain ferns, you have to wrap the winter.
I know.
Or stuff with hay and stuff. So
yeah.
I don't know.
Who
But
knows?
anyway, let's go to the next spot.
Alright guys, we have made it to the Eden project.
Yeah.
Look.
We are here. Actually, we skipped Charlestown Ferry Light Tunnel because it turned out you had to book.
Yeah, and there was no slots available, so we didn't end up going.
Yeah, that was fully booked, so we skipped that, which is a shame, but we can always do that another time when we come here.
Yeah, for sure. But this looks
cool.
incredible.
Doesn't
I
it?
think this is so cool.
It's a bit of a walk down.
Yeah,
So,
it is a little bit, but
let's go.
I'm excited to see what's inside.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've just come into this thing, this room, and there's like this big structure which is blowing out perfect smoke rings.
It's really cool. We're just going to wait for it to happen now.
Well, I'm gonna have to read something on the walls about what this is and why it's here, but it's pretty cool to look at. Look, there's one there. Almost touched it. Oh, it's gone. Whoa, wait. Oh no! It's gone. Oh my god, no. Oh, it's actually warm.
Is
That
it?
was warm. We're inside now. We're inside the Jungley Biome. This is amazing, isn't it?
It looks like we're outside,
Yeah.
but obviously we are in, so we have to have masks on.
Have a look up. Point up. How cool is that? Oh my god.
It's so cool, and it's a little bit humid in here.
Yeah, just a little.
So it's probably not a very clear picture. It's probably a little bit hazy. It gets worse and worse.
Yeah. But honestly, yeah, my friend Glenn has done such a good job of lighting up the whole place.
Well, we found a couple of lights here. There's loads of lights everywhere.
Yeah.
But oh yeah, just put fairy lights up there behind you.
Oh, so cool. So the lighting in the Eden project has all been done by my friends Glenn and Zach. So if you guys want to check them out,
GLX Productions.
GLX Productions is what they're called, yeah.
They do lighting for all kinds of events and stuff.
Yeah, parties, festivals, all sorts. But yeah, they lit up this whole place. It looks amazing.
But I don't think it's going to do it glory. It's not going to do it justice until we check it out when it gets dark.
Yeah,
to be fair, so we'll be coming back in at that point.
Yeah. Okay, so do you guys remember we were just talking about bamboos and like thick bamboos in that other garden?
Yeah, the ones that are like that.
The ones that were like that. Look at these. These are massive. I literally can't even put my whole hand around it. Wait, can I do two? Yeah, only just. It fits around my hand like that.
Yeah, look at that.
That's mental. And look how high.
You can't even tell from here. But there's like one in the middle that's nearly the height
of the whole dome.
You know, it's crazy.
Oh my god. Oh, look at these little birdies. They're so cute.
I don't know if you'll see them. Oh, you can see them. He's really good at moving the leaves with his feet.
Look, he's got a mohawk. He's coming up close.
He's coming.
He thinks we've got food. See? Look at his hair. I love his hair, dude. He had some red hair dye.
Yeah, he's got a cool mohawk, isn't he?
Yeah.
Look at
He's
him.
a rocker.
He's a model. Just waddling off down the path. The lighting's really good here.
Yeah. Glenn and Zach have done such a good job.
Like this bit especially.
I know. I feel like I'm on holiday or something.
I think also because it is getting darker now.
Yeah, it is. You can see the lights more prominently. They've been on the whole time, you just couldn't really see them because it was daylight.
Yeah, they're on all day. I really like that orange one.
Yeah, it's so cool.
And look, the little, what are they called? The little buddies?
I don't know. There has been like posters that say a little bit about them and stuff, but I've completely forgotten what they're called.
Yeah, I saw the poster saying don't pick them up.
I know,
obviously,
yeah.
but they're not really bothered by people. They're just sort of walking around.
They just walk towards you. It's so weird.
They're so
Aww,
cute.
here's a lovely little Toto.
Literally right up to the camera. It's so cute.
They're showing off.
He's showing off his colours.
Yeah, he is. I want to stroke him. Rock on! That's what he said. With his mohawk.
Just got to get some AC/DC playing in here.
Yeah.
And
You need some
right
piercings and tattoos and he
He's
fits.
coming over to you.
What does he do with that leaf?
Leaf so good.
Alright guys, so we are just done. We're just walking off. We've had some pizza, which was really nice.
We had some pizza. We were going to go in this second one.
Yeah.
So we went in the one all the way in the distance. We're going to go in the second one, but it's pre-booked tickets for Santa
yeah,
only.
to meet Santa. But I can see, you can maybe even see on the camera just there. Can you see the projections?
It's like a starry
thing, yeah. And there's like a Christmas thingy in there, so that would have been really cool to see, but sadly we don't have the tickets for that.
So yeah, we're just gonna walk back to the car now.
Yep.
And
we're
luckily
gonna
there
drive
was
home.
there was free charging here, so
yeah, that was good.
got a full charge, and yeah, we're just gonna drive home.
Yeah, and we hope you guys enjoyed the vlogs from Cornwall.
Yeah.
I think the next one will probably be a van vlog, won't it?
The next one's gonna be a van vlog. We've done a lot. I won't say what we've done, but we've done a lot on it.
Yeah.
So, but we'll be back here in the summer, hopefully.
Yeah, for sure. Hopefully in the van.
in the van.
Yeah,
So,
that would be good. All right, we'll see you guys next time.
See you guys. Bye.